Hello, friend. I'm Mormo, and would you like to make money as a horror affiliate? Well, stay tuned because today we're talking about horror affiliate marketing in a nutshell. And what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the single fastest growth industry on the internet. It's also true that affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and most creative ways to make money and have a career on the internet. Simply put, affiliate marketing is selling products on a commission basis. You own a business that advertises and sells products for other companies. You may have a product of your own to begin with or not. The things that a successful affiliate marketer must have are: one, your website is the jumping off point of all of your marketing efforts. So the first step in any successful affiliate marketing business is building a good, credible, and professional looking website. You must build a user-friendly website which will attract your prospects and motivate them to click on the links to your products and services you are promoting and make a purchase. There are companies whose business is building websites that you can hire to build one for you. Two, you must find products to sell. You must be able to determine whether there is a demand for those products and if people will actually buy them. You may either have your own original product or products that are made by others. Whichever way you go, you must believe in the products. Three, it'll be necessary for you to become an adept advertiser and be able to tell whether the advertising you're paying for is producing more income for you than the advertising is costing you. Four, it is necessary that you have good mathematical skills. You will need to be able to track your sales and determine profit, as well as see to it that your suppliers are paid in full and on time. Five, you need the full and unwavering support of your family so that you can devote the time and energy necessary to launch your affiliate marketing business. And thanks so much. Hopefully, you learned a lot. I learned some stuff. Affiliate marketing is something I've made money with, and there's a couple different routes you can go as a horror affiliate. You can become an Amazon affiliate or an eBay affiliate and sell like DVDs or Blu-rays and posters and T-shirts and books and there's all kinds of horror stuff you can sell. That route, you'll make a small commission. I'm about to release, probably within the next month, an affiliate product geared towards the horror community. And with my product, you'll receive a 75% commission. So you're looking at making a little more money, and then basically you would review it on YouTube or on your blog or whatever, drop an affiliate link, your own personalized link. If someone clicks on it and purchases my product, then you get the 75% commission and it's sent to you directly to your PayPal. And so I'm going to get started real soon. I got most of the product done I need to make one more movie. It's going to be several movies, my product, but I need to make one more movie, and then I'll package it up and have it for sale and let you know. But real quick, go to Moremozinecom. I should have done a text overlay. Hold on a second. I'll do it real quick. And anyways, you want to go to my website, moremozine.com, and enter your email, and then you can check out. I got a movie that's geared towards the horror community, and it's about building your business, your horror business, and it's free. You just give me your email, then I email you a link to where you can go check out the movie for free. And I guarantee you'll learn some stuff. And it's entertaining, but also educational. And so just go to my website, enter your email, and I'll email it right off to you. And please comment, please thumbs up, please subscribe and ring the bell, and please share because sharing is caring. And thanks so much.